Please subscribe to my channel Travel with Saurav and press the bell icon to get the first notification of my videos. Hello friends, this is Saurav and you are watching my channel Travel with Saurav. Friends, I have never made a review of any gadget, but today I will be doing a review of DJI OSMO Mobile 2 Gimbal. This is the best and cheapest gimbal in the market till now for YouTubers or any professional photographer. If you are doing a professional photography or videography, this gimbal is very good. It will make your video very stable. So now, without wasting time, let me show you the unboxing and the review of the Osmo DJI gimbal. So friends, this is the packaging of that Osmo DJI. I bought it from Apple store in US Mall, Abu Dhabi. So they give me in this very good plastic cover with the Apple logo in it. So let me remove the Osmo DJI gimbal. So see, packaging is very good. It looks like Apple packaging, and here is the serial number. If you can see the serial number, and this is the front and this is the back one. So let me do the unboxing. Let us remove this plastic cover first. Sorry, I don't have a proper knife. It is removed. This. Okay, now you can see. So let's go through the specification very fast. This is Osmo Mobile 2, model is OM170, and this all is DJI specification. So let me check from where I can remove this one. Yeah, from here. So need to use the knife for this. Okay. So first you will get a pair of instruction manual. You can see it. This is the instruction manual. Okay, let's keep it aside and let's remove the box. Oh, it looks fantastic. The package is fantastic. You can see this looks like a thermocol packing, and let's remove and see. This is the Osmo DJI Mobile 2 gimbal for you guys. So here is the logo, Osmo DJI. It's a very good packing. I think I can carry this in the same packing. So this is the unit. This is the unit. It's a little bit heavy. It feels nice in your hand. So this is the gimbal, and you get a charging cable with this, and that's it, nothing else. So I will tell you a little bit about the gimbal itself, then I will put it on charge. So as per instruction, I have to charge this gimbal for at least 2 hours and it will be fully charged, and then only I should use it. So this is the handle or grip. Let me put it aside. So this is the handle or grip which you will be holding in your hand, and this is the mode button. It's written as M. This is the slider button. You can do up, down, left and right. Okay, and this is the camera button, which you can, if you can see it clearly, you can change it between the video mode and the camera mode. And this is the zoom slider. You can do zooming from this, from top and bottom. So it has 3 motors, as I know. has one motor here, and one motor here. So I will be charging this gadget for at least 2 hours. Then when it is fully charged, then we will see how it works. A DJI app. So the name is the DJI GO. Once you install it, it will look like this. So click it here. So once it's started, I will show you the different modes on the DJI GO before installing it on the gimbal. So this is the camera and the video camera button. It will switch on. If you click, it will switch between camera and the video mode. If you click this button, it will show you different modes of recording, like standard if you are doing a normal recording, slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse, and motion lapse. This one is the record button, red color. This one will flip the camera between front camera and back camera. This is the one, the play button. It will show all the recorded videos and the photos, and you have to click save to transfer it from the DJI app to your gallery. This is the home button. This is the camera button. This is the gimbal button. If you click this, it will come, some gimbal settings will come. Okay, and this is the settings button. You have the camera setting for video resolution, panorama quality, reset camera, save unstitched pano photos, and zoom sensitivity. Zoom sensitivity is if you make it fast, and when you move the gimbal zoom button, so the sensitivity will be more. If you make it slow, the zoom will be very smooth. So we'll go back. Then there is gimbal setting. So it's saying please connect gimbal. Then there is general setting like version and device name. And there is live photo. So if you want to go live on Facebook or YouTube, like this thing, so you can go live from here. So this Bluetooth button, if you can see, there is a cross marks. That means the gimbal is not connected with the Bluetooth. If you click here normal, and if you click here standard, so we will do the normal standard recording in this mode. So let me install it back to the gimbal, and then I will show you how to shoot the videos. And here one more thing, it is showing the percentage of the phone, 55%. 55% is the percentage battery of my iPhone, not the gimbal. So once I install the gimbal, it will show also the battery percentage of the gimbal. So now let's install the phone in the gimbal, and I will show you how to operate it. So now the gimbal has charged up, and how to check the charge is just press this mode button only one time, and you can see the lights flickering. So like this you can check the charge, and if you press it for 1.5 seconds, the gimbal will start. Just release, see, now it's holding. So first I will do is I will remove my cover. If you have iPhone 6 Plus or 7 Plus, you should remove your back cover and use the phone as it is. So I will be using the 7 Plus phone. So hold the gimbal like this, and mount the phone in the phone holder. Okay, once you mount the phone holder, hold the gimbal, and you have to balance it like this. See, the phone weight is on my right side, it is more, so now you have to make it balance. So what I will do is I will slide it a little bit. And now you can see the phone is balanced. So other one is flat, or you can say the horizontal surface. To balance the horizontal surface, you have to move this. You have to move this adjustment bar from here. Just hold it flat and just a little bit. No, more, little more, little bit more. Still the weight is one side. Okay, but still I have to do the vertical adjustment a little bit. First time it will take a little time. Show you the different modes of the gimbal. Once you switch on the gimbal, it will be in the follow mode. So see, if I follow if I move my hand, the gimbal will follow like this. Follow mode. And if I press this M button one time, this mode button, if I press one time, then it will be in the lock mode. It will not move anywhere even if you move your hand. So I will just press this mode button one time and see. Even if I move, it is stable. Again, make it follow mode, and I will show you the record function. If you press this one, it will start recording. If you can see, and if I press it again, zoom slider, if you want to zoom, it will work only in the back camera, not in the front camera. So I'll show you. And we'll make it zoom out. Functions, and I told you there's a pan button, so you can pan, see, bottom. This pan, all with this joystick. This mode button, it will center itself. So now it is center itself. So friends, you see how this gimbal works. I hope I give a good review. And one last thing which I did not tell before is there is a charging port here. You can charge your phone or any other device. Let me show you. There is a USB port here, see, and you can charge your phone or any other thing from this charger. And once it is fully charged, it can hold up to 15 hours, this gimbal itself. So this is a very good gimbal from my experience. So friends, let me know in the comments how you like my video, or any other doubt if you have regarding this gimbal. I will be happy to answer your doubt. So have a good day and see you with the next video.